You know, my kid got taken illegally by the court over there, by Judge Sanders and Dave CAREY.
Oh, I don't know, bud.
Well, no, I mean, I got the stuff in my car, but you know, my son lives in Kentucky, and they submitted false evidence through courts that's taking somebody's kid. It's pretty serious shit.
Right.
And it's not. I can show you. You know, I can show you anything you need to.
Right.
What's your name?
Blankenship.
Blankenship. What's your name? He looks like he's angry or something. You mad at him or something?
This is how his little puppy dog face is.
Yeah, I know he's
a youngster.
Yeah, but yeah, we want some charges filed.
Okay.
Cause I mean, you just can't do what they've done. You can't. Well, you can't file a false complaint of neglect or abuse. That's a crime.
Where at?
In Ironton.
Where at?
But the courthouse.
Courthouse?
Yeah.
Okay, we don't have no jurisdiction over the courthouse.
Really?
It's in the city, but it's owned by the. Are you talking about common police?
No, I'm just talking about juvenile probate courts where they filed it.
That's common police. That's the county. It's all county.
That's the county.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's owned by the county.
Okay. Well, how about kidnapping? Can we get that in Ironton?
Right.
Jobs and services, and where it technically happened at a house in Ironton.
So, family job or CPS came and took the kids. What you tell me?
Yeah, but the way they did it, it was all illegal.
You got to take that up with CPS.
Nah, I got to take it up with the law. I really do. I swear, I got to take it up with the law. Because you can't. I mean, here's the thing, man. You can't file a false complaint and say.
Well, here's the thing. CPS is different from us. CPS is what they're doing. Child Protection Services, so they take care of anything that's under a child involved in like that. So with that, you got to take it up with the main person. You got false complaint.
Well,
they got jurisdiction over the whole county as well.
Well, yeah, but that's what I say. But where it happened in Ironton, because here's what they did on that part. They lied and used deception to take a kid out of a house in Ironton. So that's Ironton PD, I think.
Technically, CPS is state. They ain't county.
Well, but they did it in Ironton City though, because.
Right. Even if they have in the city, they got the state. They got whole.
But how is this? But say I'm right, for example, if you're taken from a house in Ironton, that's city limits, right?
By your own will. You get your own will, yeah. But
by your own will or against?
Against your own will.
Well, sure. I'm sure my kid didn't want to go with no creeps from CPS.
I can't help that. They've got an order from the state. State tells them to go pick them up. It's their job.
Not necessarily. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
More than likely, they didn't. They did it because they were told to. Obviously something was going on.
Yeah, we don't know.
But if you guys let me explain it, if the kid lives in Kentucky, and he lives in Kentucky, right, and he's at his grandmother's days later, and you file a false complaint in court that says the child lived with the mother, but he didn't. That's using deception. But if you take that kid out of that house in Ironton, that's kidnapping. That's kidnapping.
That's the courts. The kidnapping.
That's the CPS. That's CPS who did it though. But so like, what if a pizza man comes and says, "Hey, I'm your kid's coach. Let me hang out with your son."
That's not what happened. It's Child Protective Services.
But where in the law does it say Child Protective Services? But
Child Protective Services is state owned.
But here's the thing: you're law enforcement, right?
Yeah.
Where in the law does it say that anybody's above the law? The president's not above the law.
I'm not saying they are.
If you use deception, but you're trying to give me excuses saying that they're a state agency, that doesn't mean
a state agency.
But they get paid by the county, but they work in the city.
But they're through state. Have you ever read their place in the state of Ohio?
But read. But what does the Ohio Revised Code say for kidnapping? I got it too.
Code is against your own will. So the child is play with the common police.
It says using deception. It says using deception. But tell me I'm wrong, Mr. Blankenship. Well, I mean, you're not. You can. I already tell it's going to be. You're already one of those cops that are a little hostile. I'm gonna back up because I don't really want to get beat down.
No one's hostile with you or anything like that. But there's nothing you can do. If you want to talk to our sergeant, well, let's talk to our sergeant.
Who's your sergeant?
Goo.
But Goo, he's pulled me over when I've just been walking before. I don't want to talk to him. But I'm just saying though, it's using deception. If Goo wants to, well, calm down. But tell my brother, man, tell him it's all love. He can calm down. I don't, all I want to do is talk to somebody without, getting my rights violated. Man, jeez. You can tell at Blankenship, he's a hostile person, man. What's wrong with that guy?